evening, wherever you are. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to slaughter volatility 101s index, guys. You know, let's go. So let me just firstly jump to the what's this the indicators. Firstly, on the main chart we have period 9 shift 0 method exponential applied to median price style 3 pixel. You press done, you go to the next one. The next one is period 13 shift 0 method exponential applied to median price, style 3 pixels. You press done, you go to the next one. On indicator window 1 we have the other side relative strength index. Period is 1, applied to close, style is 2 pixel. On the levels we have 50, and that's take profit, 80, 90, 210. So on 10 we there's a strong buy, and on 90 there's strong sell, so yeah, you go back, you press done. You might not see the strong buy here. That's why you need to you can just pull it like this, because the chart is not that much, it's not that important, but it's also important. So you can see here there's a strong sell right here. So yeah, on the next indicators we have moving average, we have period 200 method exponential applied to median price, style is 3 pixel, and the color is that one, orange. And the next one we have moving average, period 21 shift 0 method exponential applied to median price, style is 3 pixels in that color. The next one we have period 13 shift 0 method exponential, same things, median price, style is 3 pixels in that color. And we have period 8 method exponential applied to median price, 3 pixel in that color, yellow. The last one we have period 5 shift 0 method exponential, guys. The same thing, it's just the color you need to change. The color is blue. Yeah. So let's get it. Let me show you guys how to actually make money with this. So we start like this, guys. You know why I entered this trade? I entered this trade because it was on the strong buy line, it was saying strong buy, so in the, let me zoom in a little bit, and the red line or maroon went under the price, it went under the blue line, it went under the blue line. The blue line came on top of the red, so that's a strong indication of the market going up, guys. The market going up, they're even pointing upwards, so yeah. And here it was showing a strong buy, and 200 EMA, 200 moving average, the orange one crossed all of these lines, it crossed all of these lines, indicating or telling us that it's gonna buy. It's gonna buy, guys. It's gonna buy. Let's go back a little. For a sell, it's a sell. For a sell, it's the same thing, guys. It's the same thing. The same thing. If you come close here, you can see the blue line crossing the red line. The blue line went under the red line. The red line went on top. And coming here, you can see these lines are touching the strong sell at the other side. You see, it's touching. You can just zoom in and just make sure it's touching the RSI here for a strong sell, guys. And the 200 EMA always delivers, guys. It delivers. It crossed these lines, it crossed these lines, showing that it's gonna sell a big sell. A big sell. Go back. Here we are again, guys. The lines here are touching. The lines here are touching the strong buy on the RSI, and you zoom in closely. You see, it's the same thing here. The blue line is crossing the red line. The blue line went under. I mean, it went up. It crossed the red line. So yeah. I don't want those things in my house. Your house. Now you see, the 200 EMA crossed again. It delivers, guys. It's the best strategy out here, guys. Best strategy. Best strategy. Look here, guys. The same thing here again, guys. It touched here, indicating it's gonna be a sell, a strong sell. And it crossed here. So yes, guys. Yes. That's what we do, guys. We kill the market, guys. We make money. You see, it's still the same here. So let me advise you guys. How I do this is if you have a small account, $20, $10, bro, don't trade on a big time frame like 30 minutes, because it will kill you. It will kill you, guys. You just this 30-minute time frames is for people with big accounts, $50, $50, $40, $80, and upwards, So yeah, if you're having a $10 account, $20 account, I think $20 is okay. It just depends on the positions you open. If you're having $10 or $9, guys, you can just go on a smaller time frame. Listen, this is the advantage of this strategy. It works on every fucking time frame, guys. Excuse me for that. It works on every time frame. You can go on the 1 minute time frame. You see, on the 1 minute time frame is now indicating a sell. A sell right here. You see, the 200 EMA crossed. So for you guys, you can sell. For one minute time frame, it's just for scalping, guys. A quick one, and then you go out to the market, guys. Check, guys. Let's go back. Now here's where I entered, but I entered late on the 1 minute time frame. I supposed to enter right here. That's maybe here or something, because you wait, like when the 200 moving average crosses these lines is when you enter, guys. You should wait, guys. You should be patient. Patience is the name of the game. You see, and then I entered in riding up to that, guys. Imagine, guys. Imagine all that money. All the money, guys. We are here again. The same thing, guys. The same thing. He touched here. Touched there, and then it started going down, and the 200 moving average crossed it, started going down. It's the same thing, guys. Same thing. I think it's the same thing. You go in the 5 minute time frame, you get the same thing. You get the same thing. Could have entered here where I entered. Here's where I entered. This is where I entered. Strong buy. This is where I entered. And then I've been riding this one up to there. You see, this is a line that crossed the black what's this, moving average. 200 moving average crossed these two lines. So guys, you know the meaning, guys. It's a strong sell. Fuck you doing, you dickhead? You get me? Fucking idiot. Same thing again here, guys. You could have opened a sell right here. Could have opened a sell right here. It crossed, it came back. For you guys who are panicking, you could have gotten out of the trade already. So you can just use proper risk management. You don't just barcode every time, guys. So you could have ride in this one up to here. You go out, guys. You go out. You open another position. Be mindful of take profit, guys. Take profit is at 50. Here it's at 50. It's 50. Take profit. When it reaches there, you take profit. If you have the guts or something, or have the funds to hold, you can hold, guys. You can hold. You can go up to here. You can go up to here. It's strong sell, guys. You can hold. So yeah, that's what I got for you guys. Peace out, guys. Let's make money.